In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning proposals using Dubsado that wow clients and help you book projects faster. Step 1. Start with the proposal template. In Dubsado, go to the template section and choose proposal design. You can use a pre-built one or create your own from scratch. Step 2. Customize the design. Add your brand colors, logo, and fonts to make the proposal feel professional and on brand. Use images or sections to highlight your service visually. Step 3. Showcase your packages. Clearly lay out your offers with pricing tables, descriptions, and optional add-ons. This helps clients easily pick what works best for them. Step 4. Add payment options. In Dubsado, proposals can link directly to invoices or contracts. Once a client accepts, they can sign and pay instantly. No extra steps needed. Step 5. Automate sending. Attach the proposal to a workflow so new leads automatically receive it after filling the inquiry. And that's how you create stunning proposals in Dubsado. Branded, interactive, and designed to convert leads into clients faster than ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.